Alright guys, so my TIG welder started acting up, and I think it's the foot pedal here. I've got the foot pedal disassembled. I think it's this potentiometer on the foot pedal. When I would touch the pedal to start welding, it would jump immediately to the maximum amperage that I had the knob set at. Now, a lot of times, just for general whatever, I'll leave it set at about 75% of maximum, and then just adjust my amperage with my foot pedal. And I don't know if that's common practice or not, but that's just kind of how I do it. But it was wanting to jump to my maximum, which was about 200 amps, and I was blowing holes in everything I was trying to weld. And so I got on AI and was asking it about this thing, you know, what could be wrong with it, and it said it's most likely this potentiometer. It said to go hook up to the potentiometer on terminals 2 and 1, or 1 and 2, and see what it was doing. So see if I can show you guys what it was doing here. So you can see I'd barely turn it and it just starts freaking out. It's going all over the place. The meter can't figure out what range we're in. Go a little further, still freaking out. Go all the way the other way, which would be all the way on. I still can't find a range. So if I just choose a range for it, and stay in 1,000, you can see it's just jumping all over the place. So what that tells us is this potentiometer is bad. So what I'm going to do is go on Amazon, see if I can find one. This particular one was easy to find. It came in a 2-pack for 10 bucks. So I've got them on order. And when that gets here, we'll desolder this one, solder the new one on, and see if that fixes our problem. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I got the new potentiometer in here. Same part number as the old one. So let's test this one out. See what kind of readings we get. So we see we get a smooth transition up and down, and that's what we're looking for. So we know for a fact this potentiometer was bad. So now that this one is proven good, let's go ahead and get it installed, see if we get this welder fixed.